Same Mbira Gospel.
Yes.
Mbira ze tariro.
Imbira zetemba. Imbira zetemba. Yes.
Is this a movement? Because I really see that you are pushing this very, very hard.
I would say it's not a movement. Because if it was a movement, then I'll be out to prove something. I'm not here to prove out something. No, not at all. It's a ministry. So a ministry, if one person gets the message, I'm more happy. The Bible says, if one sinner repents, the heavens rejoice. So it's not a movement. The reason why we're pushing hard is, I would say, as Christians, we preach about the imminent return of Christ. So we must also push the message hard. If we really believe that Christ is coming very soon, then we must do something about it. But this side, we're pushing the message of saying Christ is coming, but this time we are relaxed. I don't think it is a good thing for us to do. And then the other point is, the Bible says in, I think it's Ecclesiastes 9 verse 10, whatever your hand findeth to do it with all your might. For in Sheol, or the other versions say, in the realm of death where you are going, there is neither wisdom nor knowledge. So better we do it now. And besides, we're given only, I think, 70 years to live. Let me be precise. We're given 70 years to live where you can actually be energetic. Beyond 70, everything starts to diminish. Yes, you can live up to 100, but after 70, you are sick. So the energy we have now, beyond 70, we won't have it. So better we do it now. And we're not going to live forever. If Christ doesn't come in our generation, at some point we'll die. So we need to do what we can do now with the time that we're given. So I would say it's not a movement. It's actually a ministry, and we have to do it. We have to be passionate about it, so that the world can see what we believe. Sometimes what our actions and what we say are not in sync. So if we can put our actions to work, then I think the world can believe us. Yeah, thank you very much.